Namaste. This is the mini version of the solar system. It has 4 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, also known as inner planets. This model is very handy with a base of approximately 15 cm square and similar height. I am planning to use this as a part of upcoming tutorials on gear basics. As seen earlier, gears can be placed in a sequence to build this model. Speed with which planets revolve around the Sun is proportional to the actual one. Speed of outer planet is controlled by the earlier one. We will start with Mercury and mesh gears as per these ratios. I have used gears in multiple of 12 to an extent possible. This gives maximum choices in terms of ratios to be achieved. 10 and 14 teeth are the two other gears used. All the large gears in the system are 24 teeth, while smaller ones are 10, 12 and 14 used in compound gears. Though there are online sites to check the gear ratios, building a small test bed to verify the same really helps. As a part of this activity, I built this small test bed where I can quickly build compound gears and test it for ratios and other alignments. This small square axle with a hole inside enables building of compound gear of any combination. Diameter of this small rod is 3 mm. I can very well change the size of the hole to use different axle while keeping the same compound gear. This is the MS sheet mounted on the foam board. On this foam sheet, needle can be used as an axle. We will place these ring magnets inside the holder. Collectively, this holder will house the 3 mm rod. Now these holders can be slided easily on the MS plate, giving me infinite flexibility in terms of alignment of gears. Once everything is built, layout can be frozen and can be cut on acrylic with laser. arm for each planet rod is fixed in place to these concentric axle pipes. As earlier, here is a FreeCAD assembly of the setup. Right now, we have to rotate planets with the help of gear, but planning to introduce handle and bevel gear setup as well to make it more friendlier. Hope this helps. Thank you.